Check. Podium.
Hello. Good evening to one and all. Namaskar. Honorable Vice Chairman, Srimati Jaya Gaikar Madam, respected Administrative Head, Srimati Amita Gaikar Madam, esteemed principals, teachers, dear parents, and my beloved students of SMG family. It is with the immense pride and joy that I welcome you all to our annual day function of this academic year 2025-26. Today, our campus shines with the talent, creativity, enthusiasm, and unity, an energy that perfectly reflects the spirit of our theme, Incredible India, Atulya Bharat. Dear parents, as we all know, India is not just a country, it is an emotion, a land where diversity blossoms in every region, where every language spoken is a melody, every festival is a celebration, and every tradition is a story. India teaches us that unity does not mean sameness. It means embracing differences with the respect, harmony, and pride. Dear parents, this year our students explored India's culture richness, its art, music, achievements, dance, and the values that have shaped our civilizations for thousands of years. Through their performances today, they will take us on the journey across the vibrant landscape of this incredible nation, from the snowy Himalayas to the shores of the Kanyakumari, from the folk rhythms of the Rajasthan to the classical grace of Kerala, from the ancient wisdom to the modern innovation. At our school, we believe that education is not confined to the textbooks. It grows through the experiences, curiosity, self-expression, and respect for the heritage. And parents, what better way to nurture this value than by connecting our young minds to the greatness of our own country. Dear parents, thank you for your constant support and trust. To my all teachers, I extend my gratitude for your passion, dedication, and patience. And to all my dear students, you are the pride of this institution. Your talent, sincerity, and creativity bring life to days like this. As we celebrate our annual day today, I hope today inspire each one of you to cherish your identity, embrace the value of harmony and respect, and contribute the future of incredible nation. Let us continue to dream, to learn, and to shine, because the future of incredible India stands here right now.